I have just got myself my first press bike from KTM. Nearly 2,000 miles in the UK on a brand new KTM Super Duke R just to go and get some food.
Let's just gently get up to speed. Jesus Christ! Views road, Super Duke! Super Duke! Whistling helmet, get your whistling helmet here. Gentle acceleration. Bruce, mate, you're gonna need to get one of these. It's so good. Get out my way! Turning into a perpetual child. Oh my god, he stunk of BO. Like, really stunk of BO. Right, people, filled up. I've had some caffeine. I am going to have to hurry up a bit because I'm meant to be in Wales tonight. Had some water, had a Monster energy drink, and a Yorkie, which is the best thing for energy. The next section of this video is going to be called Making Progress. Making progress. Making lots and lots of progress. I've just put my sunglasses on and it now looks like it's going to rain. Take one of them. And take another one of them. You've got no number plate on the back of that, mate. And another one of them. Fourth gear, power. Oh no, he had his wipers on. That's not good news. Oh no, Lorraine. So this morning I've basically just done a massive loop past Glencoe. Why is everyone stopped here? Why are we all stationary? Don't really want to nip past. Wrong side of the road in case a lorry comes flying around the corner. Oh, another Super Duke! Yeah, boy! Yes, mate! I got 1390 though. I got one more number than you. It's not mine though, so it's not really a bragging rights, is it? Nippage. Alright, okay. There's Sonic going on with the lakes, Paul. Cheers. Cheers, cheers, cheers. So we loop around the loch, head down to Inverary, and then we carry on down south. The reason I'm recording so much of Scotland is because evidently this is going to be the better bit. After we've got down into the lakes, we need to stop for a sausage sandwich of some variety, or something Cumberland based, and then we need to carry on going down into Wales. That second leg of it after the lakes is going to be the big one. 3.5 hours to Keswick, oh my god, let alone to Wales. Guess it's time to start munching those miles. Munchy munchy, a munchy munchy. Bloody hell! I'm gonna have to change this video, aren't I, to make it dinner in the lakes as well. It was gonna be lunch in the lakes, but apparently not. In hindsight, I probably should have got up earlier as well, rather than leaving at 9:30. Oh my god, what a bike for it though. Happy that camera's finally working. For no reason whatsoever. I'm going to be riding till 11 PM again, aren't I? This is so good. Yeah, you can almost leave it in 4th gear. Just the whole lot can be 4th gear. What is my life right now? I'm in Scotland on a Super Duke R from KTM UK. They've entrusted me because I've got enough of you lot that follow me. Thank you very, very much to every one of you watching, because you are the reason I have this right now. I'm loaded up on semi-slicks and look at this. Yes, I'm not getting my knee down by any means, but these are slippery, wet roads in Scotland. And I have a massive bag on the back. Shall I buy a Super Duke? I need to pay off some debt first. What an utterly sublime bike, man. What an absolutely incredible bit of kit. Even into the corners, a little bit hot there. 4th gear. Power out of it. Oh my god. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Anyone else, or just me? God, these brakes are so bloody good. I do find I'm leaving it later to brake because I can, which is probably not a good idea. Emma texted me like an hour ago and just said, I'm sweating because it's so hot down here. I'm like, yeah, cheers bro. It's currently warm enough, 17 degrees, but it's pushing it down. Pishnit tights. My buttocks is wet. I've just had a drip go down my bum cheek. Oh, that's really not nice. Oh, that is making its way into the Grand Canyon. When you're on a slightly lesser powered bike, you have to think about when you're going to overtake. You have to kind of mentally prep for it. On this, you just go, yeah, I'm going to overtake now, Bob. I'm just done. This is brilliant. A82. 82? Yeah, still the A82. A82. Pete, if you're watching this is basically a GS, this bike. Just leave it in 4th gear. Oh, that splashed me. Leave it in 4th gear and it just pulls away. Quite a lazy bike to ride, if you want it to be. Who would have thought a Super Duke would be a lazy bike to ride? Oh, I don't want to get wet. Don't get me wet, I'm going to get wet. Should have worn my full gear. Never mind. How slow are we going to go around this corner? 28 mile an hour. Still, power's on. The engine braking is quite nice on this. You can increase engine braking if you really want to, which I might try later. Good. Lots of rain happening right now. Really, really lots of rain. This is fun for me in my RoadSkin jeans. I was chatting to Mark from RoadSkin probably 6 months ago, whenever it was, and he was just like, he thought it was mad that I'd decided to go up to Scotland in my jeans at the time. So part of me really wanted to do this trip in the jeans anyway. I debated when I saw how wet it was going to be. I was like, no, sod it, I'll go in the full Halvarssons gear. Like, I can't be bothered to be wet in the jeans all the time. But then it was 28 degrees or something like that when I left. And then I just sort of left, and then halfway through I was like, oh yeah, I forgot. I'm in my jeans. It was meant to rain quite a lot. Last night was fine because I had a heater in the room. It's only the jeans that get wet. The boots are fine, and obviously my upper body's completely fine. Right people, I'm going to turn the cameras off for a moment because it's boring, and I will bring you guys back probably in the lakes. 2.5 hours to the lakes, and then I'll have another probably 3 hours down to North Wales, I'd assume. We have done 633 miles so far, 10.5 hours of riding in about 24, maybe just over 24 hours. Okay, I will see you guys in a bit. Right everybody, I've just come down to Northwest Bikers in Cumbria. It's a filling station thing. And I've just had a Cumberland, a bit of a cheat. I've had a Cumberland battered sausage and chips for dinner. Not quite a Cumberland, proper Cumberland thing, but I was assured it was a Cumberland sausage. So that's what we had. Had a lovely chat with those blokes over there. And now I've got 3 and a bit of bloody hours to go.
First, I was looking, I was just saying to my mates, these things are bloody mental, aren't they? The 1290 was
yeah,
mental enough, and it's the first time I've seen one of these. Yeah, oh, it looks, I love it. Yeah. Safe riding.
Thank you mate, say so. You watch, I'll stall it now. It's now 6:30 in the evening. Fucking, what a bike people, what a bike. Getting a lot of love on this thing as well. Yeah, not that I'm surprised that people are loving it, but normally bikes like this, a lot of people aren't really that interested in anymore because they just think they're mental. But a lot of people seem interested in it. Oh, that was quite a nice little biker stop actually. It was, I was going through Keswick, not really thinking much of it, just looking for somewhere to stop. I saw this couple taking photos. I stopped in to ask them if a cafe that they were next to was open. They said no, there's a biker meet up there. And I just rocked up and there was probably 50, 60, 70 bikes there. So I just thought, yep, Sonic, this will do. Get some lunch, well, I say lunch, 5 PM lunch. Have a bite to eat and then get cracking. And I must have been there for about an hour and a half. It's 6:30 and it's now 22 degrees. That's because we're not in Scotland anymore, so it's decided that it wants to be warm. Judging by that bloke I was chatting to at the end, I think I might have just sold a 1390 for KTM. To be fair, I might have sold one to myself as well. Recording Onzo. Ferrari Onzo. Welcome back. I just thought I'd stop and put my camera on because I've done many miles of motorway munching. What is it? 9 o'clock, and I'm 3 miles from my destination. And I feel like it might be quite a nice little ride to get there, even though it's only 3 miles. Look at me putting all my cameras and recorders back on, even though I'm only 3 miles away. Since I've got off the motorway, it's just been roads like this. They're bloody brilliant. Even more so on this bike, but I'm not going to spend the last few minutes of this video talking about how bloody good this bike is, because you guys are probably already switched off because I've done nothing but that in this video. Smells very heavily of cow shit. Oh, it's because there's cows there and they will do shitting. Oh, it's turned into a Super Duke again. It's gone from being a touring bike to Laggan Super Duke. Mind you, I suppose it's Austrian, isn't it? So it would be more, ja, das einen Super Duken bitte. Oh ja, sehr gut, danke. Das Super Duken. Oh, hello. I was in second, not third. That came up much faster than I was expecting. It just comes up without trying. Oh wow, what a view, mate. Right, and this is where I'm staying tonight. I don't think the bike's going to get nicked, do you? Because there's no one here. Is it that? I don't know. This is where I have to try and find the place with no signal. I have to say, this bike sounds really good when you're stationary. Like just that noise there. I better chickily check myself before I rickety wreck myself. I have to say, it's really nice to be able to push the bike back on a upper hill and stuff, just because it doesn't weigh 260 kilos. I don't know where I'm staying, people. Somewhere around here. 10% battery on this camera. It's quite useful having it on my chin like this because I can literally see it. Oh, that's the question though. Am I going to find my accommodation before the battery runs out? Ah, there we go. Hey little baby cows. Hey baby cows. Definitely off-road. Definitely off-road. I've got it, people.